challengers, welcome to week 2 of the fall 2023 Axiom Success Challenge. We hope that your first week was absolutely phenomenal in every way possible. Now, let's keep in mind that when I say phenomenal or when I say I hope your first week was a success, that doesn't always mean that you dropped a tremendous amount of body fat. A lot of times the successes can be found in some of the smaller things. Did you find an easier way to pack your food to work for the day? Did you find a better time of day to do your cardio? Perhaps it was just finding an easier way to take your supplements on a daily basis so you actually remember to take them. There's so many things that we can look at to make this a success. But what I wanted to do this week was hopefully bring one thing to your attention that could make your life a little bit easier and a little bit better for the 8-week challenge. And that is to give you a delicious fall recipe that you could go home and try that does not take you off track in terms of calories. So I want to show you these pancakes. We're going to head over to my kitchen. I want to show you the pancakes that I make when I really want to satisfy that sweet tooth and get pancakes in without breaking the calorie bank. So I'll show you step by step how I put these together, and it could be a great option for you to implement as a breakfast or a snack or a dinner or whenever you want to have pancakes. Now, for this week, please remember to attend your boot camp this weekend if you're able to. The community aspect of that is absolutely huge when it comes to the challenge. Wear your MyZone heart rate monitor. That's a great accountability tool. We want you to be able to take advantage of that. And of course, if we can do anything for you, please let us know. Now let's head over to the kitchen. All right, first thing you're going to want to do is grab a blender and a blender cup. And we take old-fashioned rolled oats, something like your Quaker oatmeal works just fine. And we measure out 40 grams of oats, which is 1 serving. And then we're going to put that on the blender to make an oat flour. Then goes in 1/2 serving of pumpkin, which is about 61 grams on the scale. After that, we're going to go 3 egg whites. Whites only, add some protein, but not the fat to go with it. Then goes some cinnamon to add to the flavor. Some stevia, because some sweetness never hurt, especially without the calories. And then finally some almond milk. I like doing the almond milk just to create the consistency I want, a splash, a little more or less to get the consistency you want. Onto the blender and then a hot skillet. I like using 4 pancakes with this serving here. Wait till they just start to bubble at the top. I'm doing mine with some added egg whites here, just for some extra protein. You can do that, or you can do just the pancakes. Flip when they're golden brown. Onto the plate they go. And like I said, if you want to add something to it, that's great. If not, they are perfect on their own.